Hello everybody, welcome to astraeakeva. I wanted to talk to you guys today about the easiest way to start studying anatomy. When I first started studying anatomy, I thought this is also what I'm doing. I am studying the muscle groups and all of that, and the bones, skeletal structure, but I also didn't know how to construct the body in general. And I think if you want to study anatomy, first thing you need to do is simplify how the body looks. Simplify how it is constructed. How does the head sit on the shoulders? What is supporting the torso? Stuff like this, you have to think about the pelvis. And I started studying how to construct and categorize all these body parts. So slowly I decided to break down the body into normal basic forms. By basic forms I mean spheres, cylinders, boxes, cubes basically. And after breaking the body into these various forms, to completely construct them again, placing them on top of each other in a way that I best understand. You can watch a whole bunch of videos, take a whole bunch of online classes. I'm even teaching people how to draw art. But one thing I realized even with my students is that they start to take what I teach them and tweak it for their own personal drawing in a way that they understand. So here is an example of how I'm doing it. The head is a sphere that is sitting on top of an upside down pyramid, which is the jaw. And the neck is a cylinder. The chest is a box or cube. Then I sometimes, for the stomach area, I would place either a cylinder or a circle or sphere, or elongated sphere. But for now, for this videos, all intents and purposes, I'm using a cylinder. For the pelvis, I'm just using a basic box. And for the legs and arms, I'm using cylinders. And that is basically it. It's nothing too crazy, but it still brings the point across that this lady is walking. There's still a few things that I can tweak. For example, I can still tweak her torso area. It's a bit too high, but that is not the problem. At the end of the day, the more I draw it, the more I see that it still looks like a character. It still looks like a person that is walking. And that's all that matters for now. Because with time, you can study anatomy, you can memorize the muscle groups, the bones, which is something that I do and I encourage my students to do and people that I'm helping study do. But yes, this is pretty much the simplest and easiest way to start studying anatomy. You can just think of any shape that you like and plug it in. So yes, I'm not going to talk too long because it's pretty straightforward. It's not like I'm a guru who knows everything, but I like to simplify everything so that it is understandable. And that is all for today's talking video. The rest of the video will be sped up, where I'm going to draw more anatomy studies, just using the same method to draw various poses. So that is all for today's video. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.